ang tinadasal sa akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. So guys, we're going to use this one, this highlighter. I ordered this one on TikTok. And alam niyo ba guys, it's only 150 pesos. Free shipping na siya guys. Natatawa ako guys because this is the first time I ordered makeup. Kasi naman, sabi ng partner ko, every time kasi na may lakad ako, wala talaga akong arte sa face ko guys. Actually, kahit lipstick, hindi talaga. And yun, na-convince niya talaga ako guys. And then next, we're going to use this eye curler. This is cute. It's pink. Madalian ito guys. Then we're going to usap na lang. Mascara. Ang cute niya guys kasi maliit lang siya. Pwede mo siyang dalhin. Ang ganda niya guys. First time ko itong gamitin. It's beautiful. Pwede nyo rin siyang ilagay sa nyo guys dito sa kilay nyo guys. Pwede nyo siyang ilagay. Pwede nyo siyang ilagay. Ganyan mo siya. Yung atake ng makeup ko is normal lang talaga. Yung hindi masyadong makapal. Excuse. And then this is an eyebrow. At hindi ko na siya gagamitin because tingnan nyo naman yung kilay ko. Makapal pa sa mukha mo. Char. Joke lang. And next, we're going to put a lipstick. And this is and actually guys, this is also a cutie lipstick, also from Danfang Matte. Oh my gosh, wait lang guys. And sorry guys, Hindi ko siya na-play. I forgot to resume. Tapos natuloy ako. And then, alam niyo na yung gagawin mo. Tapos na kayo. We're going to pack all this makeup set. And then, keep. Ang garap ko ikaw na lang ang kulang. And guys, we're done. So this is our final look. So let's go. And look at that. Yun lang guys. Bye-bye.